So today we discuss about some important topic in CSIR NET exam that is very important, and different types of questions are asked from that particular part. This part is belongs to developmental biology. So today we discuss about autonomous specifications. This is first mode of commitment. Now you can say the next point. You can say autonomous. In case of autonomous specifications, the cells so independent development independent development. So in case of autonomous specifications, the cells or vascular shows independent development. There is no interactions. These types of specifications does not depends on the cell interactions. In the later video we discussed about the conditional specification. In case of conditional specifications, cell interactions is a very important process. Now, next point, you can say mosaic development due to autonomous specification or autonomous specifications shows mosaic development. Mosaic development. So why it is called mosaic development, and the embryo is called as mosaic embryo, because in case of mosaic is a type of design in which the tiles shows individuals attractions or individuals, you can say, whatever it is. So independent in this case the cells or blastomeres shows independent development, that they does not depends on other cells for their own development. So cell interaction with cell interactions cell interaction does not affect individual cell development. Individual cell development. So in case of autonomous specifications, the cells shows independent development. You can say independent development. Cell interactions does not affect individual cell development. Cell interactions is not part of autonomous specifications. Why it is called mosaic development? Like mosaic design, each cell shows independent development without interacting with other cell. That is why this is called mosaic development, and the individual which is formed by these types of development is known as mosaic embryo. Now, diagrammatically we can easily understand how the process. So suppose this is a tunicates blastomere, 8 cell stage blastomere. So this is tunicate blastomere, and this is a blastomere pair. Okay, and these are blastomere pairs. These are blastomere pairs, and the name of this blastomere pairs, like this is A4, small a4, 2, small v, 4, 2. This is capital A, 4, 1, and this is capital B, 4, 1. This blastomere. These are 4 pairs of blastomere, 8 cell stage of tunicate embryo. This structure is from ectoderm, like, one second, ectoderm. So these blastomeres pair form ectoderm. So ectoderm is formed from this type of blastomere. This is also responsible for the development of ectoderm. Is also from ectoderm. Now these structures, there is a small region. This structure form nervous system of tunicate, nervous system. Now this part, suppose we divided these blastomeres, and this part is endoderm, this part form endoderm, this part form notochord, and this region form muscle, this region form, there is a region and mesenchyme, and ultimately this region also form ectoderm. So this is the united state of the 8 blastomere. But when we separate, now we separate this blastomere, separation. So we separated these 4 pairs of blastomere. So what happened? Now separated blastomere, like this is A4, this is B, small b, A, and these are the separated blastomeres. So these are separated blastomeres, as you can see. Now separated form, so this is A4, B4 2, this is A4 1, this is B4 1. Now this structure, when these blastomere pairs are separated from each other, now this structure, this A4 also form the ectoderm. So ectoderm formed from this region, individual blastomere pair. This structure also form ectoderm. Now these capital A4, these blastomere pairs form the notochord. Suppose this is the notochord region, and this is the notochord and endoderm. So this is endoderm and notochord. This region is known as notochord. Now these cells form endoderm region, endoderm, mesenchyme, muscles, formations of the muscles, formations of muscle, so formed by this blastomere pairs, muscles, and another is mesenchyme. So as you can see from this diagram, you can easily understand, even in the separation, these blastomere pairs form the same structures when they are present in a united state. So whether these blastomere pairs present in united state or in separated state, they form the same structure. So you can conclude that there is no cell-cell interactions, and one cell does not affect another cell's development. That is why individuals